my gosh, you did that?
Daddy, did you see that?
Oh, this is so cool. I wish we were see-through. I really wish we were see-through.
What if we could do a Triceratops pyramid?
Oh, let's do a squid tag. But we're not.
I'm okay.
Blob, blob, kiss girlfriend. Blob, blob, kiss girlfriend. I'm not your girlfriend, blob, blob. I'm just your friend, okay? Blob, blob, miss friend, blobby, blob. No, okay? Stop. No! He's my best friend, Triceratops. Horny. Don't take. Hey, you knocked us over, guys. No, stop. Stop it. Guys, everyone. Can you just be quiet and shut up? You little bot.
Don't say that in videos.
Doggy.
Mama.
No, you're messing up the school, y'all.
You're hitting my...
You're messing up the school.
They're hitting me.
Hey, I lost my friend.
He's your friend. There are people
there you
who
are,
are attacking me. I need a friend.
I've lost my friend. Where's my friend? Oh, where's my friends gone? Oh, I lost my friends. Hello, friends. Where are you? Oh, Snowflake's not here today. That's such a shame.
Where
Hey
is
guys,
Snowflake?
Okay, with you.
Where is Snowflake?
Yeah. Stop sniffing my
I
butt,
did
doggy.
see. It's what Dad do. Shall we say hello? I did see Snowflake somewhere. You know?
No, Snowflake isn't in today.
Who's the teacher?
Okay, class, settle down.
The big monster will come and eat you if you don't.
Class, please, calm down. Everybody sit in your circle.
Don't forget about me.
Oh, I forgot my best friend.
Don't knock me over, dude.
Oh, hi guys.
I'm gonna knock you over. Why don't you?
Guys, you won't be getting anything nice later. You won't be getting any puddings after lunch if you don't sit down.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Same here. double, same here. Super same here. Why didn't you say whatever comes after double?
Triple.
No. What comes after double? What comes after double?
Dobby.
Triple. What comes after double? Triple.
Dobby. Oh.
Mommy. I don't need to sit down. Oh, I want some pudding. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
No, not yet.
Yummy, yummy. This is just my fidget toy. I'm pretending.
The bee is not. Where did the bee come from?
Kids' church.
The bee is not a part of this. Buzzy bee, get out our classroom.
Oh,
Classroom.
Mommy, help! Mommy, me to me.
It's a boy, broski goat. Class, settle down or I will have to call 911. Wait, that's in America. I'm going to have to call 999 if you guys don't sit down because you're so crazy. The police are going to have to come and arrest you for being too crazy.
We are sitting down.
Blob, blob, kiss girlfriend. I'm not your girlfriend.
The only people who are doing good here is Doggo, Mushroom, and Horny. No, either of these guys. They're not listening, they're chatting.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, we'll sit down now.
No, B isn't chatting.
Thank you.
Oh, what happened to BB? You will never know. Never.
Blob, blob, Scarlet is Blob, blob's girlfriend. Mwah. No, I'm not your girlfriend, Blob, blob.
Never. I never earned a mine. Never get to medal.
Never enough. Never enough.
Everyone be quiet.
Never enough. Never.
Everyone be quiet. I'll call 991.
We'll sue you too.
991.
We'll sue you too.
991. Wait, that's in America. No, it's 911. Oh, 911.
991.
He said 991. He said 991. 999. 919. Why is there a bead here?
That's the beat.
That's my... No, it's my
Bodie,
putty.
where's... Oh, there.
991.
Right, everyone, sit down. Besties, you say? Oh my gosh, we are the best.
Get in the front line. Wait,
that
who
was
knocked the doggo over?
Well, that's not cool, whoever did that. Hey,
Listen, everybody!
Lemon, why don't you stand up?
Focus!
Shut up, Angel.
Mushroom and horny.
I'm so sorry, guys. No, if you don't stop crying, you're going to go to the principal.
I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry, sweetie.
I love you, besties.
Hey, we're not your besties.
Stop moving us.
No, they're too far to the front. Go backwards, please.
It's because you hit us forward.
I'm your bestie. I'm your bestie. I'm your bestie. Come here right now. You are not going
Back to school. Oh, Mommy, I want to tell the teacher how mean you have been. Wait, he's
Right.
my mommy. No.
Everybody. Right, Lemon, why won't you stand up? Come on, stand up on this carpet, yeah? Oh, Lemon.
Come into the front.
Oh, Lemon.
Nine,
I can't stand up, I'm
Come
sorry.
into the front. 9. Come into What? It's part of the video. No hitting to video. My toys are being out of the video. The people, I keep hitting them, Bodie. No.
Yeah, sure.
From now on,
Bodie, stop moving mine. Bodie, stop moving mine.
This is our new classmate. This is our new classmate. This guy. Don't touch him, or otherwise I'll kill you. You don't know how to. Yes, I do. No fighting in videos. No touching.
We're still filming.
I know. I'm going.
Why?
Baby boy.
Why, Joan? Why are you going?
I want to. Oh, this guy's pregnant. This guy's
No,
pregnant.
Bodie. Horny, Mushroom, and Doggo. You can't leave the school. Oh no, I knocked my students over again.
That's baby boy. Ouchie. Mommy.
Hey, I need to sit next to my friend, you meanie. Hey.
Hey, we're
Everybody
friends with
dance.
marshmallows.
Bodie, everybody dance now. Okay, guys,
Your
guess what?
baby.
Guess what, guys? Today we're going to do a really fun science lesson.
Dancing?
So here's what science. We're going to be learning about how to dance. Everybody dance now. Oh no, I knocked my students over again.
Yeah, let's start the mobile. Let's start the mobile.
Everybody, you're gonna go crazy. Woo! Hey besties, I'm fell over again. Oh no, that's not good, Connie.
Oh.
Not funny. Lemon, what?
Oh. Hey.
I'm the cutest in the school. But this guy's seriously so cute. Turquoise.
I'm the cutest in the school. I'm the cutest in the school.
Mango, lemon, come on, let's dance.
Hey.
Blob Blob can't find his girlfriend.
I know your girlfriend.
Wow, Blob Blob is sad.
I'm not your girlfriend.
Blob blob sad.
I'll be your girlfriend.
I am not your girlfriend. So leave me. So blob blob, please come on. I'm just trying to make sure. I'm just.
Hey,
Look, I'm trying to make you have. Actually be smart. I'm trying to teach you, blob blob. Blob blob like some dancing. Lemon, mango, where did you go? Oh, there you are, Lemon. Where's Mango gone?
He's Mango.
Everyone's gone crazy. I know. Where's Mango? Mango shouldn't have gone crazy. I think she's got the crazy syndrome.
Am
Lemon,
I
you can stand
Mango?
up. Of course you're not Mango. You know what your name is. What even is your name? I don't know what your name is.
Am I Mango? Am I Mango?
Nobody stop.
Hey.
Oh, there's Mango. Sorry, guys. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, where's my bestie gone? I don't know.
Who's your bestie?
River is. Oh, River. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hi, River. Everybody, I'm going to go and get Stitch. He's my boyfriend. Did you say boyfriend? I'll be your boyfriend. Oh, yeah.
You're too young to be someone's boyfriend. You're going to the principal.
Blob, 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 blob.
Go to the principal. He's in timeout. Push.
Blob, blob, sad. Blob, blob. Whoever is doing that to you must flip and stop it right now.
He's in the timeout.
I'm sorry, I'll kiss your face now.
No, I'll kiss your face now. No, actually, I don't want to.
Blob, blob.
I'm so crazy, teacher. I'm so crazy.
I'm still not your girlfriend, blob, blob. Hey, guys. What's up? Where's my bestie gone? Everybody's losing their besties.
Where's my bestie?
Freaks. Yeah.
That's a free time out for me. That's a free time out for you, you know. So you will be staying in there for 3 days, you realise. No, Mommy. Mommy.
I'm not your mother, I'm the teacher.
I'm not going to tell my mum, but she said that I need to stay here for 3 days. Go away.
Dang it.
What? Did he break?
Snowball's flipper fell off again. I need to glue it, guys. Again, it fell off. Ugh.
Uh-oh. Looks like you're not the only one who lost a part. Or some parts. Mommy! I want my mommy.
What happened?
Teacher, get out of here right now.
Snowball is going. Guys, I have an announcement. I'm going to go to the nurse's office. So
You lost a flipper.
yes, I lost the flipper. Just there.
Now you listen to me. You don't right home, teacher. You don't come under me, baby child. I'm not a baby.
Okay, what? Everybody's insane.
I'm not. Cry.
Oh gosh. Oh, Lemon, you fell over again.
Teacher, cry.
Yeah, you're insane. Everyone's insane. Snowball's like the only one. And us. Guys, my flipper. It's a good job I'm plastic. Lemon, stop falling over. You're a silly seahorse.
Let me try.
Wow.
It's so hard. Here we go. I got lemon up, Lara. Lara, you knotted them back over, but I just put up. There we go. Just back up.
Oh, yeah, guys. This bit was broken as well. Snowball keeps breaking. Poor Snowball. That bit's broken already. I couldn't fix that bit because I didn't realise until now that was a bit and I lost that bit. So yeah. Anyways, guys.
No, you can't come out!
That's the end of the video.
No, stop being insane, everybody. Even though I'm insane. Mummy. Oh no, that one stuck to my hand.
Goodbye.
Bye.